Hi and welcome to TMetric Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll walk you through the timesheet feature and everything you need to know about how to use it in your work. Before starting to work with timesheets, I can configure the timesheet view and set up automatic email reminders for my company. I can easily do it in the Workspace settings on the Timesheets tab. To access timesheets in TMetric, I head over to the sidebar and click Timesheets. It provides a day-by-day overview of time entries of your team members and yours. When the timesheet is complete, I can submit it for manager's approval. They will be notified and can review and approve or reject the timesheet directly in TMetric. In this regard, there are several common timesheet statuses: unsubmitted, submitted, rejected, and approved. You can see them next to each team member's name. Finally, TMetric enables you to export timesheets as CSV or PDF files, which can be used for work reporting or external accounting purposes. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.